In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rich text in Shopify. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can confidently customize the text on your Shopify store without feeling overwhelmed. Rich text simply means text that has formatting, like headings, bold or italic styles, links and lists, instead of just plain text. This is really useful for making your pages easier to read and more visually appealing. First, start by going to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the option labeled Online Store and click on it. This is where you manage how your store looks. Under Themes, find your current theme and click Edit Theme. This will open the theme editor, where you can see a live preview of your store on the right and all your settings and sections on the left. At the top of the theme editor, you'll see a drop-down that usually defaults to the home page. If you want to add rich text to a different page, click this drop-down and choose the page you want to work on. For example, you might select your home page, an about page, or a custom page template. For this walkthrough, we'll stay on the home page, but the process is the same for other pages. Now, look at the left sidebar under the template area. Here you'll see a list of existing sections on that page. Click on Add Section. A list of available section types will appear. Scroll until you find rich text, then click it to add it to your page. Once it appears in the list of sections, you can drag and drop it up or down to place it exactly where you want it to show on the page, such as above a banner or below a featured collection. On the right side, in the preview panel, you'll see your new rich text section. Click directly on the heading in that section. This will open the editing options for the heading on the left sidebar. Here, you can change the heading text, make it bold or italic, and even turn it into a link if you want to send visitors to another page. You can also adjust the heading size, choosing from options like small, medium, large, or extra large, depending on how prominent you want it to be. Next, from that same preview on the right, click directly on the body text or subheading below the main heading. Again, the editing options will appear on the left. In the formatting toolbar, you'll see two letter A icons. Click these to set the text style, choosing between heading 1 through heading 6 or normal text. Remember, heading 1 is the largest and most important, and the higher the number, the smaller the heading. You can also use this toolbar to make your text bold or italic, add a link, or create bullet lists and numbered lists to organize your content. Take your time to experiment with different sizes and formats until the text matches the style and tone of your brand. When you're happy with how everything looks, go to the top right corner of the theme editor and click Save. This publishes your changes so they appear on your live store. And that's all you need to add and customize rich text in Shopify.